In Ravenfield, you can make every bot use the same gun, only one gun, or two guns, but you need to mod the game for that. I will show you how to do that. I hope this video makes it easy enough for you to try. Hello and welcome, Ivanplays here. I will show you how to mod Ravenfield into only having one gun left. At least for the AI, so they only take one gun and nothing else. Why do this? Well, to have some new interesting scenarios, game situations. For this you need dnspy and of course Ravenfield, so let's go to Steam and right-click Ravenfield in the library. Go to Properties, go to Local Files and browse local files. We can get rid of the Steam window now. And in here we go to Ravenfield Data and then Managed. And here we have assembly -c#.dll, we drag this into dnspy. If you don't have dnspy, please follow the link in the description of this video. You need to download a piece of software, dnspy. It is free, it is open source, it is small. Go to the link, scroll down a little, then binaries, which means executable, which means the file you use to run an app, which basically means app, okay? Binaries, that's the part you need. And then click the latest build passing thing. And here you have this file you can download. Click that. Once you have downloaded it, right-click it, extract all, do not open it, extract it. Just extract it. Just extract it. Go in there, and then you will have a hard time finding the right file. So search, 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 there it is, dnspy.exe. If your system doesn't show the ending, then it's just this icon with dnspy. There, this icon. Could be also this. If you're on an 86 system, you need to use this. Or 32 bits. Anyways, run it. So now you have dnspy and you want probably to just get rid of everything. So select everything in here using Ctrl A and then just right click and remove. And then you can work with dnspy. Alright, let's continue with the tutorial. If there is anything in this area of dnspy, we just select it all with Ctrl A and delete it with the delete button. But for now, let's just drag this in here. And we go in here and we open up, let's do it slowly. Let's open up assembly -c#, then open up assembly -c#.dll, then open up the one with the dash, curly brackets dash. This contains all the classes in the game. I want you to know that I learned all this from SteelRaven7 himself during a live stream I did on Twitch. So for your own sake, go to Twitch and follow or subscribe to Ivanplays there. Link is in the video description below this video. What we're looking for is the weapon manager. So let's go down here, weapon user, weapon manager. Let's unfold it. And now we want get AI weapon primary. We're going to right click and edit method. Let me just zoom in a little. And in here we have one line. There's basically just one line in this function. Return weapon manager get AI entry weapon manager instance AI primary. So I suppose it refers to the current weapon user, and then it gets whatever they are currently holding. I don't really understand it, to be honest. So let's just replace it with the suggested code. We just write weapon manager get weapon with name, parentheses and double quotes in there. And now we need the name of a gun. To make absolutely sure we have the right name, I'm just gonna go right into Ravenfield and spawn real quick. What I want is the SL Defender, and I believe we have to type it uppercase. All the weapons are uppercase, I think, so it could be that they are stylized in the game, so we don't really know if it's uppercase or not, but we're gonna go for uppercase. So again, SL minus Defender. SL-Defender. And we're going to compile it and save module in the file menu and press OK. I will now test this and it will work, but after this I will show you how to have a selection of weapons, free for example, and I will show you how to do this with custom weapons, weapons made by the community from mods. You can do this with them as well. I will also show you how to disable turrets, so you don't have turrets and vehicles and can just enjoy the weapons you want. So don't stop watching or skip ahead if you want to know that as well. Again, I'm launching Ravenfield, and I can pick the weapons I want, but let's see what the AI picks. Okay. Okay. So far we can see some pistol, rocket launcher, and as a primary, I can only see the SL Defender. I can see nothing but the sniper. Yep, these are pistols. So what we now want to do is get rid of the pistols. And for this we go to Get AI Weapons Secondary, right click, Edit Method. If you don't have Edit Method, then you probably clicked in the wrong position. Right, so if you click here, you get Edit Class, but don't edit class. You have to click here, right click, and then Edit Method. Right, and what we're going to do here, again, thanks to SteelRaven7's suggestion, we just return null. Compile, and let's do the same for the gear, so they have no more equipment. No grenades, can you believe it? Null. And now we're just going to file, save module, and OK. I'm going to disable vehicles for stronger effect. Let's go. Here we are. So far so good. Everybody got the same gun. Let's see what happens when we, well, meet our enemies. Okay, so far I can only hear snipers. And I'm the only one that can use the automatico. Excellent. Ha! All of a sudden, I really like that gun. Okay, more enemies inbound. But they are so limited. And I am responsible. Oh! How about slow-mo? Can I beat 3 guys? Oh, no. Doesn't look like it. Looks like I'm gonna... Yep. I'm dead. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to undo the changes you made in case you messed something up or don't want them anymore. I'm gonna show you how to make bots use custom weapons as opposed to standard weapons. I'm gonna show you how to make bots use more than one weapon that you specifically want them to use, and I'm gonna show you how to disable turrets so that you don't have any distractions. You can disable vehicles in-game, but turrets you cannot disable yet. So, how to undo the changes? Just right-click on Ravenfield in Steam, in the library. Right-click on it, go to Properties, go to Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. So here, one file failed to validate and will be reacquired. So we just wait for that to happen. We can close this, and just wait for Ravenfield to reinstall. Alright, and there we go. So first, let's get 3 weapon names of custom weapons that we want to test. We're gonna go with the Krumlauf, actually. We're gonna go with the Diamond Sword and the Ivan HMG. So we're gonna write down these names. And it is important that we keep the case. Now, back in dnspy, we go to the weapon manager again. And now we're gonna go primary, edit method, and we're just gonna type name, get weapon with name, and we're gonna start with the Diamond Sword. Alright. I'm going to copy paste this line to make things easier later. Compile this. Alright, that was a primary. Secondary is going to be the Krumlauf. Even though that is not supposed to work, it works. Let's just put the name in. Krumlauf. And the gear is going to be the HMG. The Ivan HMG. Now I haven't tested any of these. They might fail and break and be too big. They might not work at all. Sometimes that happens. I don't always know why. But we're going to see. Now we're just going to hit File, Save Module, and OK. We're going to play on Simulation V2. Oh, it has a... I didn't realize it has a freaking mirror. Oh my. So these guys have a Diamond Sword. That's a primary. The question now is, are they going to switch or not? Also, we have a problem that turrets are selective, which really makes it uninteresting. Unless you like turret defense, I guess. So I'll show you how to disable these in a second. But for now, let's see if they actually switch weapons. But it seems to me like the Krumlauf or the Ivan HMG is not actually working. Okay, so this guy just is holding nothing. Neither is this guy. Neither is this guy. I don't know. Okay, so first of all, the turrets are seriously annoying, so let's get rid of these first. We're going to go to another class, that is the turret spawner class. We're going to go to spawn turret, edit method, and we're going to just delete everything inside of spawn turret. Except for the brackets, and compile, and save module. Now we did figure out that Diamond Sword works, but the Ivan HMG does not seem to work, and neither does Krumlauf. Just for testing, I'm going to set the primary to Krumlauf, and I'm going to set the other two to null. File, save module, OK. looks like it's working now. I don't understand why they are not shooting now, and also this face is two-sided and there are way too many mirrors in this world. Why are they not shooting in spectator mode? What is going on? Why are they only shooting if I am in-game? Okay, this time it works, but for some reason they actually shoot straight. So, this weird gun is now somehow bugged. Yeah, that's weird. So now we're gonna try this with the Ivan HMG, which I think is a tool, utility slot thing, so maybe that will not work as well. Yeah, I don't really know. They did not spawn with it. So what if we put it in a tool slot? Let's return null here in the primary weapon, get AI primary weapon, and get AI weapon gear. We will put the Ivan HMG. Wow. Oh my goodness, wow. What are you doing, Ivan Ball? So yeah, that didn't work. I don't really know why. I guess we just have to pick a different gun. So let's just go for AK Ivan, Combat Banana, and Crowbar. So the gear will be AK Ivan, primary will be Crowbar, and secondary will be Combat Banana. Save module and OK. So we see the Crowbar in action now. I can hear them use the AK Ivan, which is in the gear slot, so you can put primaries there. That's good, I guess. They're not making any damage. Is that a bug, or are they just not... Okay, and they are using the banana. Nice. So they are using all three weapons. Of course, the crowbar they will only use in melee, which is very rarely to occur. Alright. But yeah, there we have it. So this is it. This is how you successfully replace all guns with only one gun in Ravenfield. At least for the bots. The rest, well, that's discipline. If you're gonna force yourself to use one gun, then just do it.